Hello and welcome to FountainFX on Tuesday the 18th of February 2014. Looking at the Euro US dollar on the daily chart, yesterday we said don't really worry, there's not going to be a lot happening, and we had a doji formation. As you can see, this is very much a red line here. Price didn't really do a lot, but now today the market's opened up and it's pushing upwards, so it's continuing in the uptrend as expected. But as you can see, it's sort of bouncing around. Why is that? Because we've got an area of resistance just above it. Having said that, don't expect that area of resistance to be that strong, because it was very much on a wick and not a candle body, so the strength is not there. However, that's showing how high price could get to before it fell. So we are looking in anticipation for this area of resistance just above where price is now, around about the 137.40, to be broken, and for price to continue all the way up to the 138 based on previous price performance, price action. If we look here, I'll just highlight it for you. We can see where the key area of resistance is here at the 138. Also, it's a round number as well, so be aware of that. Very much round numbers are key. And so we've had price move from the 138 all the way down to the 135, and now we've got price pushing from the 135 all the way back up to the 138. But if you look at how long it took for price to make it down here and how quickly price is rallying up, it shows that there is very much a strength in the euro and a weakness in the dollar in terms of comparison. We have at the bottom, we have the MACD growing in strength in terms of upwards momentum. So even if you're not in on this at the moment, great opportunity just to buy. But if we want to look for a better way of entry, we'll go down into a smaller time frame. So let's go down to the 60 minutes and we can see exactly what's happening here. We can see that this morning at the open, price was around about the 137 dead. So that was offering an opportunity for entry there. Off a previous support just below. If we look at the support line here, 136.95. So we are going into very much a smaller amount of price movement. So I mean, from 137, price is at the 137.20. So if you think about it, from like 4 o'clock this morning, or 5 o'clock this morning, 5 o'clock this morning, to now, over all those many hours, 6-7 hours, price has only moved 20 points up to this previous area of resistance from here. So not really offering a lot of movement today, but it may be a case that when price pulls back down to this area here, this low of around the 137.07, you might want to place a buy order there as price is continuing to push up, so it shows. So that's really it from FountainFX. Look for a buy order there. There's not, I mean, we're looking at 20 points here. This is not a massive movement, so it's not like, wow, let's jump on board at this point. You could put in a buy order at the 137, which is a round number. It's a key area of support just here. But as I said, you could take it at 137.07, which is where prices pull back down to then push higher. But very much it's a case of the trend is up, go with the trend. Trend is your friend, etc. So just buy and let the price run and look to bank profit. And that's it from FountainFX. Thank you very much. Bye.